All right. Well, Doggo's trying to help out. Unboxing. The box came pretty damaged, but everything seems to be fine. Got a bit of a guide. A Ziploc bag with what appears to be fuel filter, clamps, some jets, some screws. Did I get 4 of those? Those could be bowl screws, possibly. And the actual carb itself, which seems to be all right. It had the cables and whatnot wrapped up. A little scuff. See if those gaskets work. See a gasket on the bottom here. I know that can be a troublesome area. Where is it? Movement seems good. Everything seems to check out. You know, the main thing is, so this one's not even trying to pretend to be legitimate. Made in China, blah, blah, blah. I don't know if the real Mikunis are where they're made. Fit and finish seems to be pretty okay. Cheapy screws on the bottom. I've heard these are soft. Ooh, that's good. Actually, this, compared to some of the fakes that I've seen online, this appears to be pretty okay, but we will see once it's in. Let's go do the install.